Hey guys, it's Fox. I'm here today with a Redbubble haul. I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I bought for their fall haul promotion, I guess. Also their holiday gifting. It's kind of a mix of both. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen some of them. Some of them are super cute. I'm really excited about them. I hope you guys are excited to see them too. But yeah, let's just get into it. You guys, if you saw the first one, you know how this goes. I'm gonna talk about an item, and then I'm gonna post either a picture or a video of me wearing the item so you guys can see a full thing of how it fits, all that. I tried to mix it up and get stuff that I haven't bought from them before so I can really test it out and see what I think, and I have some thoughts. So we're gonna go from there. For those of you that don't know what Redbubble is this awesome like artist marketplace where artists can upload their own art, and basically people can go to their art page and buy their art on prints, pillows, t-shirts, skirts, scarves, leggings, phone cases, bags, basically anything. And it's a great middleman site where the artist can upload their art, someone can buy it, Redbubble will create it in this like really nice quality from what I've seen stuff, and then ship it out for them. So they get paid without having to do like the ordering 50 t-shirts and trying to sell it out of their house and dealing with shipping and all that. They have some really great artists. I believe they have something like over 400,000 different artists. It's great for original art, which is what I'm gonna be showing you, but they also do have fandom stuff, which can be cool to get on there. I get so lost on their marketplace because I spend hours just like scrolling and favoriting everything. Well, I do have next to me a list of the names of the creators of each item, but there will also be a link in the description which will redirect you directly to the things that I mentioned in this video, and there's also a coupon code in the description. So basically, if you want any of this stuff, here it is. Redbubble did send me these items for free, but I am not getting any money off of your purchases. So if you like it, just buy it. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any reason to overly promote these to you because I'm not getting any extra compensation. Does that make sense? So let's start off with something classic. I wore this on my Instagram. I do love this a lot. I found this on their like Discover page. It is clouds with these multicolored lightning bolts coming out of it. It just kind of reminds me of like old school band t-shirts. I don't know why. I think it's the colors. I really like that it looks faded even though it's like absolutely not. Like the artist just colored the clouds and the lightning bolts in a way that it looks like an old t-shirt, but it's completely brand new. And this is one of the men's V-necks in a small. That is my favorite thing to order from Redbubble. I did order a couple of them. I will admit I have a problem, but their V-necks are amazing. Probably my favorite thing to order off their site, so V-necks, yay. Also, you all know that I buy a lot of stuff in black. I'm sorry, it's a problem. That V-neck was made by Rendra Space Dot in Indonesia, which is pretty cool. Mixing it up, I bought a scarf this time. It's gonna be incredibly hard to see, but if you can see right here, it's a tree pattern, tree with fog, which I thought would be really cool as a scarf because no one would really know that it was trees except me, but it's got this really cool fade from like blue to green to beige, and I think it's really nice. It is sheer, it's thin, the stitching's pretty nice, it's not double-sided or anything, it's just a single piece of fabric. One side is less opaque and the other one is brighter, but like I like it. I haven't found an excuse to wear it yet, I will admit, but I do really love the design, and in all honesty, this might become a mural on my wall one day instead of a scarf just because I really like the tree print. And that was made by Tortoise Kama in Germany. Next up, we have got another V-neck. This one's gray because I like to mix it up. No, your eyes aren't trippy. It's like a weird 3D-ish pattern. This is by Pop Liturgy from Minneapolis, USA. It is wrinkly, I'm sorry. I think it's pretty cool. I will admit I haven't worn this one yet either. I like the gray. I think the pattern is cool, but I think I just expected it to be a little bit different. I don't know. So like, I think it's really cool. But I guess I'm on the fence on the design now that I have it in my hands. But I think I was on fence about the design before I bought it too. So, I mean, I like it. I just don't love it. But the quality and fit is great. It's literally just the design. Next up, I got a mug. I really like this mug, and I actually really like this artist too. It's RFAD. It doesn't say where they're from. It is this mug. It's got a skull and alien spaceships, and it just says, "Give me space." It's actually like an astronaut, a dead astronaut, I guess. But I really like it. I think it's really cute. I like this artist a lot. In the mornings, I want you to give me space. And if I'm drinking tea, I want you to give me space. Like, just let me drink my tea and be happy about it. I like their mugs a lot. The last mug that I got from them has been holding up really well. So I'm excited to see now with a mug that has like a bigger decal to see how it holds up. Next up, we have got a pullover sweater. It's really nice. If you can see it, it's got a black cat with witchy stuff all over it. I've worn this one a whole lot, like so much. It's my go-to whenever I'm just like, need to run somewhere and I'm like, I need something to pull over this t-shirt. It's this. It's from one of my absolute favorite artists on Redbubble. They're called Lord of Masks. I bought stuff from them in my last haul, and then I think I bought stuff from them before that too. Like, I love Lord of Masks. This is called Magical Assistant because it's a black cat, and they're from Ithaca, United States. Basically, I love it. It's a wonderful aesthetic. It's super soft. It fits great. It's got this really soft fleece, and this has been washed a couple times, and it's still so soft. Next up, I should probably address what I'm wearing. This is a Redbubble item. It is a sweatshirt that says Yikes on it. It is from Natalie Ryan in Ogdensburg, United States. It's just called Yikes Shirt Pastel. It's really cool. Like, yes, I know there's beautiful art. There's mugs and amazing cat assistants, but I need a sweatshirt that says Yikes because I need people to know what they're getting into when they talk to me. And that's one big ball of Yikes. So this has also become one of my staples. It fits really nicely. This is a small, I believe. I do have long arms, but the sleeves, they pretty much are like perfect. It fits really cutely, and a lot of my hoodies are oversized, so it's nice to have one that actually makes me look like a human being. And I just love it. I think it's great. I think it's good advertising, and I love the colors. I went with gray instead of black, and I'm happy because most of my sweatshirts are like black. Next up, we've got I think our last V-neck. And this is, it's called Cat in Lotus Tattoo, and it is from Run Cat Run. There is no location on it, but it is a cat drawn in tattoo style, which I love. See, I really like this design, but I was having trouble placing it on an object, like a piece of clothing, just because it's like a sitting cat. But I do really like this. The logo's really soft, which is hard to come by when you've got like such a big logo. It's their V-necks, it's in a navy blue, and yeah, I'm excited to find reasons to wear more cats on my clothing. Speaking of cats, I decided to try out one of their pillows too. So this pillow it's Origami Kitten Friends, it's called. It is by Selma Cardoso. There is no location on it, but what I did was I got the cover and I got the insert. So this pillow in its entirety is from Redbubble. Now, I love the print. It's all origami cats, which I think is super cute. And like, I think that's origami mice amongst the cats as well. It is not the softest pillow cover, but the pillow itself inside is really nice. And I have in fact napped on this a couple times. I will admit that sometimes I put down like a blanket or I pull my hoodie up over it because this isn't like super soft, but it is supposed to be a throw pillow, not like a sleeping pillow. I believe they also do like floor pillows and more comfy stuff, but I got the throw pillow because I didn't really need a pillow. I just wanted a pillow, so I didn't want to get like the biggest pillow. That makes sense? That makes sense, right? Right, okay. But it is this nice navy blue. It's got origami cats all over it, like 360 degrees cats. There is a loose thread on mine, but that's where the zipper is. So like I'm not overly concerned about it, but it's got a nice hidden zipper. You can't even see it. I think it's really nice. That's all I gotta say. I mean, if you could put any print on a throw pillow, why not origami cats? Next, we've got this shirt. I also found this in just the like Discover tab. I didn't search anything for it, I just found it. And it's literally just called Dog Shirt. It's by Ronan Lynham and it's from Philadelphia. And it's a long sleeve dog shirt. And if you saw me on my Instagram, I was wearing this. But it just says everything will be okay. And it's got a dog with sunglasses, and I like it. It's actually really soft. I really appreciate it. It is a medium rather than the smalls that I normally get, but I think it's really cute. I like how the dog is kind of like fading, not fading in, but like it's got those multiple layers. And I like that it says everything will be okay, because sometimes you just need a dog to tell you that everything's gonna be okay. Last but not least, I got this t-shirt. It's called Osiris. It's by N.R. Frome from the United Kingdom, and I got it in their Tri-Blend t-shirt. I've had to say that line about 4 times already because I can't say Tri-Blend apparently. And I gotta say, it's really soft. Like, the Tri-Blend t-shirt is a little more expensive than I think the regular t-shirt, but it's so soft. But anyway, this is what it looks like. I really like this design, and I actually really like this artist. This has been on my favorites for a little while. I was gonna get it on like a sweatshirt, but ultimately decided on just a plain t-shirt because I could see myself just rocking this whenever. But I love the aesthetic, I love the art. It doesn't even feel like there's a decal. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And yeah, that is it for my Redbubble haul, my fall haul, my holiday gift guide, whatever you wanna call it. Both, neither, whatever. But I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Let me know which one's your favorite. I think my favorite has gotta be the Yikes sweatshirt with maybe either Osiris or the Clouds with the Lightning Bolt V-neck as my second favorite. Don't forget to check out the description to check out Redbubble, but to also see the items that I bought in here, support fellow artists, and also use my link for, I think it's 15% off, which is great. So if you're gonna order something for the holidays, it makes great gifts, use the coupon, get money off, and yeah, or just buy it for yourself. Why not? But yeah, like I said, check out Redbubble. Thank you to Redbubble for sending me these items. I love them. There's not a single thing I dislike. And yeah, you guys basically have clothed me for the next couple months. But anyway guys, my name is Fox. Thank you in advance for liking, commenting, subscribing, checking out my Patreon, checking out my merch, checking out my Instagram where I sometimes post fashion-y pictures in clothing like this and share the coupons on there. So you should check it out or not, whatever. Honestly, you do you. But as always guys, I love you all very, 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 very much. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.